Alright guys, so with this 70 Wildcat disc brake setup, I put plugs. I didn't take these wires loose at all. These brakes was working on this car, so I didn't want to take all the fluid out, guys. But I done found out, and with new information I just got, brake cleaner attracts moistness. So if that's wrong, guys, let me know in the comment section. But that's what I learned. But what I do know, I asked the guy, Tom in Illinois, I was talking to him, and I was like, well, one thing I noticed is that if I take a master cylinder or brake cylinder off and drain it completely dry of brake fluid, eventually it clogs up. So he said that brake fluid attract moistness to it. So by me knowing that this disc brake setup is so rare, I knew I took some old brake lines and welded plugs, tested them with water, did a video of that to make sure none of these plugs would leak, make sure that I could hold the brake fluid in here, in the master, so that way I won't have no issue with this portion of the brake system. Now it's a little valve, I did a video on that. Not too many guys helped me out, but that's fine. I figure it out, I always do. But I'm hoping that hasn't been a loose that long. So I'm hoping that valve in there didn't clog up. But if it did, I'm thinking, I don't know, some kind of way I get it figured out. But right now, guys, I just come in and I'm gonna pour 15 this. So I've been cleaning it already, but I'm gonna pour 15 this, and then I'm gonna paint it. So I'm gonna get all of this, pour 15 and paint it up. So I'm just cleaning with brake cleaner here again, guys. It's what I use all the time, brake cleaner. So I do this, then after I get it clean, I come through with a brand new can after using it with the brush here and everything. Now I get a brand new can of brake cleaner, and probably only take like a half a can to clean this, but I go through quite a bit of brake cleaner around here, guys. So it's just the way I clean my parts. It clean good, the paint. You know, after I get done treating everything, it normally works out really, really well for me. So that was something my son taught me a while back. But so anyway, get this clean up here, guys. Then I'm gonna come in and spray it down, and hopefully all of these valves. Look like you can get this valve. I've seen that online already, but I'm trying to use everything again. So, and then like around here, this is kind of rusted. So I'm gonna just take emery cloths and clean that section up just a little bit. Just make it look a little better right before I paint. But this master cylinder set up for a 70 Wildcat with front disc brakes, guys. So let me come in and spray this baby down, and then get it prepped and ready for pour 15. Alright, I'm gonna let this dry. Drip dry, drip dry. Alright guys, yeah, it takes a lot the way I do these cars. So I got emery cloth and all I'm doing is trying to rough this surface up on these brake lines. Just trying to get the rough edges, you know, off the rust. Just cleaning the lines up a little bit before I come in and spray them down with the acid treatment. And then I'll be painting these up, 415, and I'm painting them up. So just want to get a lot of this stuff off of here, a lot of this excess. Alright, so that's that master cylinder all painted up there, guys. Turned out really, really good. Yeah. One step closer, guys, one step closer. Alright.